Howdy, folks. This is Kyle Speed One coming to you from Fort Worth. Uh, this is that Ferrari 750 Monza that I'd gotten in the mail previously, and of course, I've been working on it. I've got the BRM wire wheels on it, which looks really, really good. Um, I've got the chassis built. I've got the axles cut for the correct width to fit the body. Uh, but I had to make a modification back here at the back because the block that was provided wasn't long enough or wide enough, basically, to support that back half of that chassis. I had bought the chassis from the same guy, Juan, over there in Spain. The front of it wasn't a problem because this post here lined up just fine, and I was able to get it all lined up and everything. But one of the things I wanted to tell you on these resin cars is sometimes it can't be helped. They this thing's not focusing very well. No, that's not going to work. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but right in here is an air bubble that had been formed, and when I sanded it, of course, it exposed to the pocket. I think here's one here, and there's some in other places. This is weird. I'm filming with my tablet right now because my cell phone says that it doesn't have enough space to do any video today. There's other places like up here. There was one back here and a couple back here. Well, I can fix all that with modeler's putty. That's no big deal. Everything's fine. I love the way the car looks, and I'm kind of the person that likes cars that are not mass produced, so to speak, because they are unique and because they're not mass produced by Carrera or Revo Slide or Scaletric or any of the other brands. It makes this car truly unique. Yeah, see, that's where the taillights go back there in the back. But yeah, I'm loving this kit. Now that I got the chassis set up how I want to, I'm still waiting on a 9-tooth pinion from Slotted. Tomorrow or Sunday, I may go ahead and try to start rigging up the guide and soldering the wires to those little collets and install the brushes and at least get all that done and set the chassis off to the side and then start concentrating wholly on the body work and getting it set up. And I think I'm going to go fly yellow. It's kind of funny with Ferraris. Everybody's used to them being red. And like I said, I'm the type of guy that wants to go a little bit off-road. I've got green Ferraris. I've got blue Ferraris. I've got white Ferraris. And, of course, I do have some Ferrari red Ferraris. So I think I'm going to go fly yellow with this one. Now, I'm not going to do the headlight and the buckets for it. I've researched it on the internet, and I've come across a couple of cars, if I can point to it. I've come to discover on the internet that there's actually a few pictures of these Ferraris with a sheet metal cover covering the headlights. I guess for day run only, of course, that would be the only reason why you would do that. But yeah, I'm going to do it like one of those cars. I've got the decal set in along with the ones that came with the kit. I'm going to paint it fly yellow, and I think that'll look absolutely gorgeous on this car. I think it's really going to pop. And of course, it'll go with my 356 and my Triumph and any other cars. What I didn't know about the 750 was actually it had a big bore 4-cylinder in it. And in the way the engine, which I used to rebuild engines, the way the engine was configured, it didn't have a head gasket. So the engine and the block and the head area, it doesn't require a head gasket, because evidently Ferrari experimented and he just never could get a head gasket to work on that 4-banger, on that 4-cylinder, big bore. And I've watched YouTube videos of it, of a couple of them buzzing around Goodwood, and they're plenty loud, and they sound fantastic. I was getting a kick out of watching those videos of a Ferrari 750 Monza. I think they said they only made like 31 of them. So there you go. A very, very rare car. And evidently one that's not modeled commercially. This is somebody over in Spain doing these resin molds and selling them on eBay, which, if you're like me and you like the obscure car and you like the way they look or whatever speaks to you, then one of these kits may be for you. I'm excited about trying to get it finished. I can't wait till it gets finished, because it's going to be a beauty. You can't, I mean, the lines of the car is just so sexy. Yeah, it's a very appealing looking body style. So that's where I'm at today on the little Ferrari 750 Monza. And I'll keep you updated with other posts as I'm going along and working on it and what have you. And I'll have fun showing you the videos. God bless y'all. Y'all take care. Enjoy those slot cars. And keep tinkering. Happiness can be found in just tinkering on something. I'll talk to you later. Take care, folks. Bye.